Yeah, and it's so better built it. A bit more tidying up to do down the side, but we've got the thickest out.